Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been doing a couple of head wrap videos lately and I did get a request to do like an actual upright queen slash Erykah Badu slash turban style instead of the ones that I've been doing. So I'm here to do that today. So I'm currently still rocking these goddess braids, you guys. I've been loving them. Shout out to Hair by Half on Instagram. I'm probably going to be taking them out soon because it's been a month. Anyways, currently rocking braids, which is a great way to build height. So if you are rocking braids or twists or locks, you're already one step ahead of the game. Just put your locks up or your braids up into a bun. Like so. Now, if you don't have braids or locks or twists, if you have like short to medium hair, not to worry, you can still build height. All you have to do is take one of these like tube head wraps. These are available on ToniDaley.com, by the way. Put that over your head like so, and then just stuff the tube wrap. You can use another scarf. You can use like if you have like an Afro puff drawstring ponytail, maybe a wig, fabric, whatever you have, you could just stuff it in there and build the height that way. So that's the first step. Next step is to take a head wrap, of course. I like to use one that's a little bit of a heavier fabric for these upright styles because it just helps you build the actual shape. So you just take it like so. Make sure it's even, and you want to cover the top of your hair. So you take it, wrap. Sorry, my mirror is actually down here. Wrap it around. You want to hold one side while you continue wrapping the other side around so that it overlaps. Wrap it nice and tight and tuck the ends in. It's also really nice if your fabric has a little bit of stretch, that'll help. And then just take the remaining fabric, wrap it around and tuck the end in as well. And then you can sort of push it back and situate it, shape it how you want. You can also build on these, so you can take a second head wrap and wrap it up again just to add like some color or like some extra height. So I'm going to try to do that right now real quick for you. And this one, you don't actually have to cover the top of it if you don't want to. You could just use it to add color to it. And do the same thing, just wrap around. And let's see if I can find a corner. Wrap around, there we go, and tuck. Wrap around and tuck. And you can bring it all the way up if you want. I'll show you how that looks as well. So just cover the top first. Wrap around. Hold this guy taut while you wrap this guy around. And then bring that guy around. And just find a corner to tuck it in. Just want to make sure that you hold it pretty taut. That way your head wrap is secure on your head. And then you can push it back, especially if you took time with your edges, girl. Push it back, play with it. Easy. I absolutely love head wraps for fall. I know people wear them more in the summer just because of the color, the colorful thing, accent outfits, but I love head wraps in the fall. And that is it, you guys. I hope that this helped. I hope that you found this helpful, easy to follow. Thank you for the request. Let me know if you have any other videos that you want to see from me, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.